Let's settle this myth. Cracking your joints doesn't cause arthritis. Hi, I'm Dr. Dorian Wood, board certified orthopedic surgeon here in Dallas, Texas. That popping sound comes from tiny little gas bubbles inside the joint fluid. Research hasn't shown that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. What matters more is pain. If your joints pop without pain, it's usually harmless. But if popping comes with swelling, locking, or instability, that's worth getting checked. The sound isn't the problem, pain is. Follow for more orthopedic myths and facts.